Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. I just want to remind you, you need to go ahead and pick a topic. You got to pick a topic that you're going to write about for your research paper. Your research paper will be coming up, so let's pull up the course schedule and take a look. So the course schedule, of course, is in our course syllabus folder. I'm going to open that up in real time really quickly for you so we can all look at it together. Of course, it will take a minute to adjust. But we need to be picking a healthcare topic so we can start writing about it. Your paper will be due coming up in week 9. So that is in a month, and that gives you plenty of time to write your research paper, which of course the instructions we're going to go over here in a minute. Instructions are in your course content at the top of the area here. So when you pick out information related to the assignment guidelines, we're going to click that and open it. I'm going to have to expand this 1 second. So your communication research assignment is a paper. So the paper is, of course, about something that you're interested in regards to your topic of choice. So you could be talking about radiology if you're interested in lab. You can talk about lab. If you're interested in hospitals, you can talk about hospitals. Make sure it's not too broad. You want it something that you could find information on. So all papers have to be a minimum of 5 pages. And when we talk 5 pages, that's double spaced, right? So it's APA style double spaced papers. So go ahead and get started on picking an assignment. What I would do is do this. Before I would go to Google Scholar, and I want to talk about rural hospitals. So I'm going to put that here. About rural hospital closure, because I've written about that before. I'm going to be able to find a ton of information in here. Kind of helps me narrow my topic so I can start writing. Go ahead and start writing. This week you need to send me what your topic is about. You need to really begin on this paper, because here pretty soon you're going to run out of time, and I don't want you waiting until the last minute. Once you get a draft of your paper done, I am more than willing your formatting to make sure everything's put in the right spot. I will help you with that. Remember, we have sample papers that you can use in the last couple of weeks. Week 5, of course, you had a sample paper that you could use. Actually, it's going to be in week 6. Let me open that real quick for you. Week 6 has a sample paper that you can use right up here. 1 second. I'm going to give you your review really quick. So APA sample paper, 7th edition. So you just click that, and it will open for you, and you can actually copy and paste your material into here. So use that to your advantage and send that to me when you have your topic kind of outlined, you have a draft, and I'm happy to help you. So to do for this week, we've run into chapter 6. This is of course week 6. To do for this week, a couple of different things. Come up with your topic, start writing about your topic, and you have homework for chapter 14 and a discussion board right here. This view is a little bit different than yours, but it's just an instructor view. You'll see it a little simpler. So go ahead and get started. Make sure you pick a topic, have it ready to go. From the perspective of, it's really important. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy to help you at any time. Thanks so much.